Hi, in this video, I'll show you some simple animations to try out in Figma. Let's begin by drawing a rectangle and resizing it. I'll set the height to 24 pixels and the width to 277 pixels. Next, let's give it a stroke. Change the stroke position to outside and increase the width to 2. I'll also change the color to this nice purple. Remove the fill. Add some rounded corners. I'll set the value to 100. Now, let's make a duplicate and adjust its dimensions to 18 pixels for both the height and the width. Then click this button to constrain the positions. Remove the stroke and give it a fill with the same purple color. Drag this smaller circle into the rectangle. Highlight everything, turn it into a component and create a variant. In the first variant, click the inner circle and drag it to the middle. Create another variant and drag the inner circle to the end. Next, switch to the Prototype tab to link all the variants. Link the first rectangle to the second variant. Change the trigger from on-click to after delay. Set the delay to 300 milliseconds. For the animation, select Smart Animate, and for the easing curve, I'll leave it on Ease In. Repeat these steps to link the second variant to the third, adjusting the values as needed. Draw a frame. I'll use the iPhone 14 frame. Drag an instance of the rectangle into the frame. Center it and align it to the middle. Now, let's preview the animation. For the second animation, we start by drawing a circle. I'll set its width and height to 24 pixels. Next, I'll place the circle in auto layout and give it a fill. Then, I'll change the width to 64 pixels and add rounded corners. I'll update the fill to a light blue and change the circle's color to white. Let's adjust the top and side padding to 4 pixels. Now, draw a frame. I'll use the iPhone 14 frame and drag the button to the side. I'll align it to the middle of the frame. Type out your text. Duplicate the frame to move to the next step. Change the alignment of the button to the right. Adjust the colors of the button and the frame. Update the text and its color. Go to the Prototype tab, link the first frame to the second, and set the transition curve to ease in and out. Repeat this step for the second frame. Now, preview it to see the results. And there you have it. The animation is complete.
I hope you found this helpful. If you did, feel free to like, subscribe, and share with a friend. See you in the next video.